678-42174. How you doing, Ms. Garion?
Good, Judge. Good to see you.
You too. What do we owe the pleasure of you coming in person?
I was told to come in person, so I follow directions. I don't know why. I'm special. Oh, you're right now.
Why did they tell you to come in person?
I don't know. And I even
Who'd
called.
you talk to?
The court notice says in person, and then I called earlier this week.
Heather, do you know anything about that?
I do not, Judge. I'm looking at what case it is. Usually we put in person on the defendant's copy, but then if there's, oh no, and on these oh no, she's a pre-form. I usually send a Zoom form with these for the pre-formals with the retained attorney.
Yeah, what happened here? Well, I don't know what happened.
I'm here and it worked out and it's fine, Judge. Always good to see you.
You too. I don't think you would have talked to my judicial clerk because I don't think she would have insisted that. I know she wouldn't have. Maybe you talked to one of the other staff and they thought you were a defendant. I don't know. But at any rate, my apologies. You're gonna plead to impeding your authorized enter of that plea, correct? On behalf of your client?
That's correct.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted, 150. I'll give them a week, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
May 6th. Have a great day. Take care. Be careful out there. All that water on the roadway, right? Aaron. Justin Tyreek Heron. 26W841-783 A, B, and C. Okay, Mr. Heron, you can come on up here and tell me your name, please.
Justin Heron.
All right, so you met with the city attorney. You're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
A lawyer arrived at court in person but had no idea why she was asked to come. Even the judge seemed surprised and suggested there may have been a misunderstanding by the court staff. In the end, the matter was resolved quickly, and both exchanged friendly goodbyes.
And they are then going to dismiss the They are then going to move to dismiss the driving on a suspended, no proof of insurance, and expired plate. True?
Correct, Your Honor.
And that's what you want to do?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
apparently you have another ticket you're going to pay today, right?
I'm on a payment plan. I just made a payment for the.
Okay, if you plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, I'm going to dismiss all other charges. The possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You just sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You still have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Would you like a lawyer?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Good.
On the 7th of March of 26, were you in control of a 2011 Ford that was being operated on Western Allen and Woodhaven?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
allowed somebody to drive that was unlicensed,
Yes.
and that was you, right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
And you're still suspended, right?
Yeah.
Please accept it. The suspends, dismissed, no proof of insurance, and expired plate are dismissed. You got to stop doing this, son.
No, Your Honor.
100 fines, 150 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. I'll go kind of light, but 375 or 90 days. Do you have all that to pay?
375.
Or 90 days?
I can start. I got a payment plan on the 272 for those victims. So can I put them together for a payment plan?
When are you supposed to pay and how much on
I
those?
just paid today. Another payment.
A man appeared in court for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate his vehicle. He admitted responsibility for the offense. The judge accepted his plea and dismissed several other related charges.
55 a month.
Yeah, Judge, his payment plan on his other tickets is $55 monthly. He did make a payment today on that.
No, I know operator. How
How much do you make there?
maybe 18 bucks. 18 bucks.
You have kids?
Yes,
How many?
one, but I take care of everything in my household.
So you can pay that, can you pay 50 more per month on this one?
So 100 a month total.
Well, if you're paying 55, yeah, that'd be 105. Can you do that?
I can make that happen.
All right. $50 per month, beginning May the 15th. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Or you want me to give you a little more time? How about May 31?
End of May.
May 31.
Yes, sir.
No, you have to pay on that particular case. So go down the hall, please. Austin J. Doyle, 26W8419318. Did you send that other file down with John yet, Heather?
No, I have it sitting here. He hasn't been down here.
Okay, can you, okay. Your name?
Austin J.
All right, you're charged with driving on a suspended. I can arraign you, send you to the prosecutor, or I can give you a lawyer.
Give me a lawyer, please.
Sure. I'll give you a lawyer. And you have a second charge of obstructed vision. Heather, can you have somebody run that down, please?
Yes, Judge, I have someone bringing it down right now.
Go out there. If he's gonna set you up with a lawyer, you can go right outside in the hallway, okay?
Thank you, John.
Thank you. N.A. Manson Sons Inc., 26W842464. That name, sir?
Eric Conley.
And I can't let you appear on behalf of a corporation on a misdemeanor. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get a lawyer. I'm not trying to make money for lawyers, but that's just the rule on a criminal case. So I can't do it. I can give you an adjournment.
When the fines were discussed, the defendant explained that he was already making payments on another case. After learning about his financial situation and family responsibilities, the judge agreed to set up a manageable payment plan.
But you're gonna have to hire a lawyer, okay?
Sir.
It's not my rule, it's the state's rule. The court's rule, whatever you want to call it. Mark, May the 13th. Is that at 8:30, Heather?
Yes, we could do 8:30.
I'm sorry, it's your first name is
Eric.
Eric. And that's TR1BLEY, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're all set. Thanks. Mr. Knight, you and I are going to talk.
I know, Judge.
I'm not happy.
Not.
Eric Tarenti Bagaya, Jr., 26F262289. Your appearance?
Oh, Judge, Patrick Ryan, P76.
Oh, this is the one.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. This is the one. I want you up here. Your appearance.
Patrick Ryan, P76343. Sorry, Judge, I was very confused.
Well, I called it because I got this stipulated order.
Another defendant faced a charge of driving with a suspended license. Rather than proceeding immediately, he requested legal representation. The judge approved his request and arranged for an attorney to assist him.
Adjourning bench trial.
Correct.
I had told you last time I was not going to adjourn the trial.
I understand.
Why in the world would you do that and submit that with the hopes it's going to get by a judge? Either that or you thought I was kidding.
No, Judge.
I don't kid in here. I have a very good sense of humor outside of here, but I told you I wasn't going to adjourn this. And then I get a stipulated order, like I sign 150 to 200 orders a week probably in judgments. Why would you submit an order, a stipulated order adjourning a bench trial when I just got done telling you I wasn't going to adjourn it? I hope you don't do that in other courts.
Judge.
So listen to what I'm telling you, counsel. I am not happy about this. I don't fool around in here. I'm not kidding. You guys had multiple pretrials. And now all of a sudden,
A business owner attempted to represent his company in a criminal case. The judge explained that state rules require a licensed attorney to appear on behalf of a corporation. The hearing was postponed so the company could hire legal counsel.
there's this urgency to adjourn because your client is going to start a job. If you had a pretrial on February the 5th, 19th, 16th of April, February 5th and 19th and March 19th and April 16th. And now you're telling my clerk your client's not showing up and you want to know when you can walk him in? Listen to me very carefully. If he dares plays games with me like that, he better have a lot of money. And don't think if you walk in here on Monday or Tuesday or Friday that I'm going to just say, oh, let's let bygones be bygones. He will be sitting in that lockup unless he's married to a physician for the longest time. But more important, I'm disappointed in you When I tell you I'm not going to adjourn something, you don't submit a stipping order to adjourn behind.
Tension rose in the courtroom when an attorney submitted paperwork requesting a trial delay after the judge had already denied any adjournment. The judge openly expressed frustration and questioned why the request had been filed.
My back with the hopes I'll forget about it and sign it. I'm serious as a heart attack. Why would you do such a thing?
Mr. Voglia asked me if I could do whatever I could to get it.
You brought it up. I said no. Why would you do such a thing? I don't care what your client asked you to do.
Judge, he finally got it before. He has 2 weeks where he can't.
This is an animal violation case. It's a dog bite.
It's a domestic violence, Judge. And they're going through a custody issue, so that's why we were trying to get it so the custody issue would not affect his.
You mean to tell me if he starts 1 day later, he can't get a job at Ford Motor Company?
Judge, the email said that he has to be there for 2 weeks straight. Otherwise, he.
The attorney explained that his client had just started a new job and risked losing it if he missed work. After hearing the full story and considering the circumstances, the judge agreed to postpone the trial for 2 weeks.
Be terminated from the job. There's no exceptions, no excuses.
When is he supposed to start?
He started on Monday, Judge, so I think he's gonna miss work tomorrow and have to reapply to Florida.
Listen. I thought it was an animal violation, but it doesn't matter.
Now, did you?
Well, why so many? This is a domestic violence case. That's fine. But why so many pre-trials? If you guys needed to push this through, I'd have given you a trial date 6 weeks ago.
Judge, we didn't want to push this through. We wanted to work with the family law to get their custody issue set up at the same time as this was being resolved. And they were supposed to have a custody hearing last week, and it's been a contentious issue. So, and he wants to be able to support his 2 children with the victim. He was.
A woman facing charges received unexpected good news. New evidence showed that another individual was primarily responsible for the incident. As a result, prosecutors moved to dismiss the case, and the judge granted the dismissal.
Former police officer,
I don't care who he was.
and he lost his job, and now he's been working as a plumber, but he's like, I finally have a job to get in at Ford. I can't leave my kids and move some other because.
I know, but if he told you that,
Judge, I begged him to set it. I said, can you start 2 weeks later?
listen to me. If he told you that, and I vaguely remember you saying something about starting a job. Maybe you brought this up.
I don't believe I did, Judge, because I didn't know. He said he was looking for a job. He was waiting out for Ford to get back to it, but I don't know if I brought that up. I did bring up studying in custody. I wasn't trying to sneak anything by the judge. I just.
No, but you can't do this. I was really surprised. I didn't think you would do something like this. I mean,
Well,
you could have filed an emergency motion then and it been explanatory. It said this, that, and the other. All I've heard is adjourn on this case.
The final case involved a road rage incident where a man admitted punching another driver multiple times after becoming angry over a traffic dispute. He accepted responsibility in court, and the judge placed him on probation with strict conditions, including no contact with the victim.